to Arches National Park.
We made it to Arches National Park.
And our first stop is the window arches.
Gravities in motion. Holding tight, just take me for a ride. Shouldn't be this open. Come on now, just swallow your pride. Let love it swell so wrapped up in your touch. Be sure, don't show no man. Feeling so warm, I know it's cold outside, but here we're hot enough. Giving it to this.
We're just exploring the Tourette Arch. This is super awesome.
Never leave the house with enough snacks for hiking.
I'm walking down the street on clouds instead of the concrete I'm dancing through. Everything's about to come my way. Nothing can ruin my day. No matter what anyone does or say, I smile at fools. No, I don't care, cause I am on my way up. And I won't stop, I won't slow down. Steady on my feet, I'm gonna rise.
We are at the Double Arch at the Arches National Park. This is a famous one, guys. So the best time to come during the year, I would say it's Valentine's Day, which is today. There are not that many people if you look around.
The fruit from this lucky day. Yeah, I am on my way.
If we count less than, I don't know, 15 people every arch that we have visited thus far, and this is the time of the year to come, and the weather is perfect. You just wear your t-shirt, a sweater, and you'll be fine. And if you're just a little bit too cold under the shade, then you can wear one more sweater, and that's it.
And I don't care if you spill coffee on me or if the sky is gray or blue. No, I don't care, cause I am on my way up. And I won't stop, I won't slow down. Steady on my feet, I'm gonna rise up. No, I won't stop.
We're on a hike to the Delicate Arch. It's about 1.7 miles, I think, if I remember correctly. It's apparently all uphill and it's rated like a more difficult hike. We are trying to get there before sundown so we can take some pictures with the sunset and then maybe some with the stars. Here's Kiara and here's Kai.
Can I just tell something quickly?
Hold on. And then we're gonna go up there. I don't know if you see the tiny little people on top of the rock over there. That's where we're all gonna go.
Can I tell them something?
Tell us something.
Also, getting there before sundown is also on our challenge to make it even harder.
It's definitely a challenge.
It is a challenge, but this is a surprise. Never bring food without you in hikes. And we have lollipops. It's just to give us a little bit of energy. And down is so fast. When you're going down, then you can definitely just run down. Because that saves your energy and you don't really need to run. It just brings you down when alone, it just brings you down so fast.
Okay.
And this is another challenge, hopping through tiny rocks.
Alrighty.
Ooh.
Sometimes what you want ain't what you need. Sometimes letting go can make your heart bleed. Sometimes the road ahead seems dark as night. Yeah. Have some faith in yourself, that's the guiding light. You should know that when your dreams have hit the ceiling and fallen back down on the ground, let me tell you, I know the feeling. I used to live in that town. One door closes, another swings.
So yesterday we had a successful day. We went to the window arches, the double arch, and we spent the evening at the delicate arch. We waited until sundown to watch the stars. It was quite interesting to go back down in the dark. We heard the coyotes howling in the background, but it was a successful day. And today we are going to the landscape arch and maybe a couple others around. We're towards the end of the Arches National Park at the Devil's Garden parking, and we're doing some hikes over here. The trail is super muddy and the kids are just playing in the mud, but it should be a good day.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if I'll ever figure out.
Okay, we're towards the last minutes of the trip, the last hours. So we just made a stop close to Moab. Well, actually close, like half an hour from Moab. It's a scenic route or scenic route around here. So just let me show you. What are you doing, guy?
Making a base for animals
Oh, cool.
like snakes or rabbits.
Let me just.
In the future, I'm thinking to make my like a channel to make bases.
Awesome.
Like we come back to here, then I just make this like an underground secret base.
Oh wow, that would be awesome. Hey, Kiara. I'm gonna go up where you are, Kiarita.
What?
So I'm gonna go up there just to show a little bit of the area. Let me see where you came from. Ta, 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 ta. We can see a little bit more of the mountains.
I think the ones over there are called Fisher Towers, but I'm not 100% sure.
The one
Kai is
over there,
making,
yes.
Kai is making a hole.
So how was the trip, Radke?
It was great. Utah was surprisingly, well, the little piece of Utah that we saw
Yeah.
was surprisingly amazing. I mean, we've lived in Denver since 2014 and we haven't made it out here this whole time. So we're really glad we finally had the opportunity to go, and we'll definitely be back. I mean, there's so much to explore here in the Moab area, but hopefully we'll make it further too. Like, I'd like to go to Zion and
Yeah.
some other like canyon.
Some
We
other
didn't
place.
even get a chance to go to Canyonlands because we just spent the whole time in Arches.
Yeah, there are a lot of arches to go and see. So
Yeah,
that's,
it's big, yeah.
yeah.
But hopefully next time, our next adventure.
yes.
Smile, smile.